Let's see how you can ask for a drink on the flight.
Would you like a drink, sir?
So imagine that you're on a plane and the flight attendant is asking you very politely, like, would you like a drink, sir? Very official and formal language. And instead of saying, do you like a drink? He or she can say, would you like a drink? So drink is basically any type of thing that you can drink. For example, tea, water. They call it like beverage, but would you like a drink is very common sentence or question. And sir is a kind of title for men. If you want to address men very politely, you can say sir. And what is the opposite of sir? Ma'am.
Yes, Diet Coke, please.
Diet Coke is a kind of Coke which has no sugar or maybe zero or a little bit of sugar. If anybody asks you, for example, do you like or do you want to drink something or do you like a drink? The answer is very short. It can be like yes, no. If you want to make longer answers like yes, a Diet Coke, please. If you add a please at the end of your sentences, in that case, your sentence becomes very formal, very polite.
Ice and lemon.
This is a very cliche question, ice or lemon. This is a kind of offering. The flight attendant is trying to ask, is trying to make sure whether you like ice or maybe lemon, or maybe both of them, or maybe none of them, okay?
Just lemon.
Just lemon means only lemon, but no ice, okay? So this is a kind of emphasize. You are emphasizing that I only need lemon, but no ice.
Here you are.
Here you are is very polite sentence when you are basically giving something to somebody else very politely. While giving it to somebody, you are saying, here you are. But here you are is basically British. Here you go is American English.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Or I appreciate it.
Coffee? Tea?
So this is very simple, coffee or tea, okay? So the flight attendant doesn't need to ask you, do you like coffee or do you drink coffee? Do you want coffee? Do you want tea? So this is long sentence. You might also hear that, but normally they are very short. Coffee, tea, water, sugar, lemon, what?
Coffee, please.
As an answer, you can say coffee, tea, soda, water. But don't forget to add please, like coffee, please, soda, please, okay?
Milk?
Milk means do you want me to add milk?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. This is affirmative or positive answer. What about the negative answer? No, thanks.
Sugar?
Sugar means do you want sugar or do you want me to give you some sugar?
No, thanks.
No, thanks. I am on a diet.
Here you are.
Again, here you are or here you go.
Thanks.
Thanks or thank you. No problem. Now she's looking for Mark Ryder, the person who was on the plane, and she's going to take him as a guest and take him to the basically hotel.
Hello, are you Mark Ryder?
Hello or hi, are you Mark Ryder? Or it means that I want to make sure, I want to know whether you are Mark Ryder or not.
Yes, are you Allie?
Yes. And are you Ali? Again, Mark, on the other hand, wants to make sure whether she is Ali or not.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Or of course I am. Or she could say, sure, I am Ali.
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you means I am very happy to meet you. What is the answer for nice to meet you? Simply you can say, nice to meet you too. But the short form is
And you.
and you or you too, okay? So somebody says nice to meet you you can say and you. That is very short. If I were in your shoes, I would say nice to meet you too. This is much more better.
Welcome to the UK.
Welcome to the UK means I am very happy that you came to UK. What is UK? United Kingdom or Britain.
Your hotel's in the city centre.
Your hotel is in the city center, means center of the city. Right now we are at the airport. We have to go to the city center. The city center basically is British. In American English they say downtown.
How far is it?
How far is it? Means how long will it take to go from this location to the hotel or in the city center? Okay? How far is it? Means how much time we have to wait, or how many kilometers we need to drive, we need to go, we need to commute.
It's about 30 minutes if the traffic's okay.
It is about 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes? Half hour or half an hour, right? What is about? You can say approximately. Not totally, but approximately 30 minutes. In other words, you can say it will take like half an hour if the traffic is okay, if the traffic is nice, or there is no traffic jam.
Great.
Great means excellent, awesome.
Would you like a coffee first?
Would you like a coffee first? You know why first? Because he has traveled a long way to the UK from the United States, so most probably he might be tired. A coffee can refresh him and can make him feel better. That is why she's asking, she's offering like, would you like a coffee first? Again, would you like? Very polite, very official and formal.
No, I'm fine, thanks.
No, I am fine means that's okay. Fine, you can use fine to say that's okay or it is nice. That is not necessary. So if you say I am fine or I'm fine, it means that that is not necessary.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. What is all right? All right means okay. All right means okay. Okay, let's go. Means let's go to the city center together.
My car's in the car park.
My car is in the car park. My cars is the short form of my car is. My car is in the car park or parking lot, you can say.
Can I help you with your bags?
This is super cliche sentence. Can I help you with your bags? Means do you want me to help you? Do you want me to give you a hand? This is an idiom. Do you want me to give you a hand? Means can I help you, or do you want me to help you with your bags, because you have a lot of bags and most probably those bags are very heavy.
No, it's okay, thanks.
No, it's okay or it is okay. Means I am okay, I am fine. I don't need your help. Thank you very much.